Have you all wondered that you will get the best smartphone under 5000? Yes, today I will show the 6 such smartphone which is the best. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. The first branded smartphone that I will suggest is Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, which comes with the processor MediaTek MT6739 with a quad core with 1.5 GHz, which is the best processor that we can get in 5000. But this smartphone, the display is very poor, so we should adjust with it. As we are getting the branded smartphone as Samsung and also with the best performance, so we can adjust, right? Also we will get 8 megapixel primary camera and 5 megapixel front camera, and also it has LED flash with 1000 mAh battery. The next smartphone that I will bring is Bezel. Spelling is BEILLZ. One of the drawback of this phone is it is Android 7 version, and you will be surprised that it has a Snapdragon 625 with quad core 2 GHz, and then another quad core is 2 GHz with 3 GB RAM, and also display quality is very good. We will get LCD display under 5000, and also the camera is best in class. It is 13 megapixel dual camera with front camera 8 megapixel, and battery is 3500 mAh. So I placed it in second position because of it has Android 7. The third smartphone that I will get is Xiaomi Max, which is also a branded smartphone, but it's 5000 more than our budget. But also we can increase the budget so that we can get the better phones. So it also has Android 10 version, and also the processor is not so good, but it has the core which was 1.6 GHz, and also 2 GB RAM and 3 GB RAM as a variant, and also it has a LCD display, and it has a best ever battery life of 5000 mAh battery in a least price, and also it has 13 megapixel front camera with LED and 5 megapixel front camera. The fourth phone that I will take is THL 5000, which is the best smartphone with best battery life, and also the screen it has, but the performance is very low, and also it has Android 4 version which is worst, but the display quality is very good and also the battery is good, so I took it as one of the competitor for this level. So it has 13 megapixel primary camera and 5 megapixel front camera with 2 GB RAM, and also the MediaTek MT6592 as a processor, which is a best processor in 5000 range. In this range, this is one of the best smartphone that I will advise you to buy. Fifth smartphone that I will advise you is Meizu C9, which comes with quad core 1.3 GHz processor with Unicorn SC98232E, which is one of, I think it is not a so better processor, but also one of the good processor, and with the 2 GB and 3 GB RAM as a variant, and its display is not so good, but also its battery is nice, 3000 mAh, and its camera is 13 primary and 8 megapixel. If you are not adjusted with other phones, you can buy this phone, but it also has a Android 8. It is one of the drawback of this phone. As I always say, last but not the least, the last phone that I will suggest is Moto E2, which is the best, which I have used 5 years. It is now still working, and it has all the features, and also I have dropped it many times, as you can see. It's having Snapdragon processor. This is the last phone that I will suggest under this budget. You can see the speed of this phone.